Munini wa Rais Rigathi Gachagua naugite thirikari ya Kenya kwanza ni kwirutaniria bunene gutigira akari ni bakuritirwa ngugi ura kubatere ARIUGA utongererwa matura kuma bukwambereria akenya maturene ni bombite gukinyirwa ni witi na mbere na mpwe ikiringithanwa na ukabere.
Good morning, good people.
Munini wa Rais Rigathi Gachagua muthenya jona arwonekite muchemanio na kamiti ya kuthuja ngwataniro gatigati ka thirikari nene na thirikari cha matura niyo Intergovernmental Relations Technical Committee.
Since the advent of devolution, we have seen to a large extent a very huge transformation in the rural areas because services that were not reaching the people are clearly visible.
Gachagua akiaria na ugite thirikari nene ni chitaniritie bunene gutigira ni bakwigika na MBARU na magavana kenda kuretera mukenya witi na mbere.
The interventions that have been made are county specific depending on one county to another. So we continue to support devolution, and as I coordinate intergovernmental relations, I have instructions from the president to create a working relationship with the county governments, and to a large extent I've tried to do that as much as possible. We really consult a lot with them on many issues. We disagree on a few, on only matter resources, but in terms of procedure, in terms of engagement, in terms of goodwill, in terms of political support, we all talk the same language.
Na ugite kamiti jiri na ngugi ndito kiri gutegera ndwangi muire cia thamirwo kuma kiri thirikari nene monka kiri thirikari cia county ni gwita ngugi bwaga kana untububo ibu batere gutegerwa kairi.
Your technical committee is critical in the success of devolution, especially in matters to do with the transfer of functions. But again, Chairman, we also want you to evaluate the functions that were transferred and find out whether they are working. Because I think there are some functions that we transferred that were not ready. I think it's also your responsibility to carry out an audit, for a cynic audit, very, very in-depth, to find out whether the functions that are already transferred, are they working or not, so that we can seek for remedy.
Na chokete abore gutigira ni bagukara bakiara na ire na utongere bwandi guru ario Rais Ruto kienda gutigira mawatho jaja kurikithwa ni jaja kethirwa jari na baita kiri mukenya wonde.
When you gazette whatever you want to gazette, all of us are on board. So continuous engagement is a good thing, and indeed is the modus operandi of our administration. There is no harm in consultation. Let's keep on consulting. Anything time you want to do something that has far-reaching implications on policy, on the general governance of the country, or the national government, or the county governments, let's consult. And we are not unreasonable people, we are listening people, and we'll be happy to give our input, and we'll talk together and agree what we need to do and what we don't need to do.
Nawe akiaria mukaririgito wa kamiti je niwe kithinjikira guna achokerete thirikari nkatho ni untu bakwithirwo bakithikirwo na kugwatwa MBARU.
We still really know that you are very committed to it. We know His Excellency is very committed to it, and it's very clear in your leadership and his that devolution is here with us to stay, and if it works well, it is important for the country, because without it, then we will sort of not be doing an optimal job for the Kenyan people. So it is in that spirit, therefore, we also very much appreciate this meeting. Of course, Your Excellency, when we last met with you and His Excellency before the summit meeting, it was agreed that we move systematically in this. Let's not rush things. Let us make sure that everybody is on board. Therefore, we take this opportunity with that spirit, and we are very gratified that you've given us the time to do it.
Muchemane juju tuthithikirite kiri garu ya kithirikari ya munini Rais Ntere Chekaren.
The